Hi you guys, this is an update on the airplane I was working on, 124 scale Airfix. As you can see, I've got the motor in. I painted it AK Extreme aluminum and did a black wash through it and rust colored for the exhaust pipes. Uh, don't look too bad, but I'm having a little issue right here. This gap. Like everything else, there's no gap hardly whatsoever. But this piece here, and if you see, it's all lined up in here. I don't know. And when I put the hood on, like the engine cover, it covers very well. So I don't understand. Like if anybody built this plane, you can tell me, where I went wrong there. That'd be great. I hope I don't have to take it apart. But anyways, that's as far as I got. Got the back wheel on. I'm putting it all together and then painting the body all at once. Tape off the wheels and whatnot. So anyways, that's it for now, guys. Talk to you guys later. Bye.